Jab ala Merbin Banda Pelalan. Pushpin. The viral Aura Farmer Boy. A little boy's big recognition. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am your host, Muhammad Salim Koja Wadia, and you are watching the YouTube channel ADSA, where we see the world from a slightly different angle. This is not a movie scene, nor a clip from a show. This is an Indonesian boat, and this boy, his name is Ryan Arkandika, is only 11 years old. No set, no stage, just all is given skill and confidence. Ryan stood at the front of the boat and did a dance that went viral around the world as soon as he saw it. It was called Greater Than Aura Farming, meaning the style, which, without saying anything, impresses everyone. This was no ordinary dance. This is part of the Paku Jalur, a traditional Indonesian boat race, where a dancer in front of the boat, called a tukang tari, encourages the entire team. Ryan has been doing this since he was 9 years old. God has blessed him so much that today he is an ambassador for Indonesia. He has received scholarships, national awards, and has been praised by the media around the world. This is the grace of God that can turn even the most ordinary child into a wrestler. When we keep our intentions clear, work hard, and trust in our inner talent, God Himself opens the way. Ryan's story reminds us that to be great, you don't need a big city, a big language, or a big family. You just need a big heart. If you like this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel ADSA and write in the comments. I will also show my talent to the world, God willing. Greetings Muhammad Salim Koja Wadia ADSA, where every angle speaks.